What do you think it's like to always live in fear? Fear of thinking, fear of what will happen to you in the next moments. Most of the viewers would think of this as an unknown gesture, but some people experience this. They live in a world much darker than our own and experience a disorder. This disorder engulfs not just a few people, but hundreds of millions of people. This ailment is called general anxiety disorder and panic disorder. Hello, and welcome to our channel, where we explore the mysteries of mental health and grow with our audience to understand them. Today, we're delving into the conditions of general anxiety disorder, GAD, and panic disorder. There is always a chance that you might not realize if a person has this, so with this video, you will be able to help yourself or someone you care about to recognize the signs and symptoms of these disorders. First, let's talk about general anxiety disorder, often called GAD. It is the most common type of anxiety disorder. Around 4% of the total world population, that is almost 374 million people, are suffering from this condition. This affliction is mostly found in populations in their early 30s. It can make everyday life feel torturous. The relentless worry and extreme tension just make life more difficult. So, to know if a person is suffering from GAD, let's take a closer look at the symptoms. But remember, if you're experiencing these symptoms, you're not alone. Living with general anxiety disorder means that you can't have peace of mind. A person keeps overthinking about matters that may be real, or sometimes they're not even real. They tend to conclude negative outcomes and get depressed by them. People with general anxiety disorder show a constant state of restlessness. They can't sit still, and you may notice them fidgeting even when they're not interacting with anyone. Fatigue is also a common symptom of anxiety, because when a person is dealing with anxiety, there is a hormonal rush that can leave them feeling drained and tired. The crash is probably temporary, but the feeling of exhaustion can last even after they have gotten some rest. GAD can make it challenging to focus on tasks, which makes everyday life more challenging, and it often feels like their mind is playing tricks on them. Physical distress, like muscle tension, headaches, and physical discomfort, are also signs of anxiety. Understandably, GAD can make the affected people easily irritable or on edge, and sometimes sleep might become a rare luxury, with difficulty falling asleep or staying asleep being common issues. Now it's time to discuss the second condition called panic disorder. It is characterized by frequent and repeated panic attacks. These attacks are characterized by a sudden wave of fear or discomfort, or a sense of losing control, even when there is no danger or trigger. Panic attacks are generally reported in teens or early adulthood. A person who experiences panic attacks constantly lives in fear of when the next attack may get triggered. This makes their life extremely uncomfortable and terrifying. Rapid heartbeat is the most common symptom of panic attacks. This state of panic attack is the most frightening, as they feel like their life is not in their control, and the feeling of helplessness makes it all the more terrifying. Shortness of breath is a major symptom. It occurs due to the fight or flight response. When it kicks in, blood pumping increases, making the muscles ready for action. This results in shortness of breath. Sweating, trembling, shaking, nausea, and upset stomach are often experienced during a panic attack. This makes the person extremely uncomfortable and self-conscious. Almost 22% to over 70% of panic attacks are associated with chest pain. Most of the patients mistake it for a heart attack because of how intense it is. During a panic attack, the chest feels sharp and stabbed in the middle of the chest, hence giving the painful feeling of a heart attack. Feeling lightheaded or even fainting can occur during a panic attack. Chills and hot flashes cause sudden temperature changes, which can make the experience even more unsettling. Both GAD and panic disorder involve anxiety, but their symptoms differ. GAD is characterized by overthinking, worry, and physical tension, while panic disorder involves intense, acute episodes of panic attacks. But this does not mean that they both are incurable. Some remedies can help the person and their loved ones to get in control of this disorder. If you or someone you know suspects GAD or panic disorder, consult a mental health professional for diagnosis and guidance because they are the only people who can confirm if the person is experiencing this disorder. Cognitive behavioral therapy, CBT, is incredibly effective. It helps individuals to get control of their lives by identifying and managing anxiety triggers and symptoms. Sometimes, medication may be prescribed to manage symptoms, especially in severe cases when therapy alone isn't sufficient. Also, prioritizing a healthy lifestyle with regular exercise, a balanced diet, and adequate sleep can significantly improve anxiety symptoms. Techniques like deep breathing, mindfulness, and meditation can help reduce anxiety and prevent panic attacks. Friends and family are essential in the journey to treat GAD and panic disorder. Please be patient with them, offer reassurance, and lend an empathetic ear. Simply knowing when someone is there for them and cares about them can make a world of difference. Your support can do wonders, and giving them compliments and appreciation is like embracing them with love. An embrace where all their worries go away and only comfort surrounds them. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more mental health videos like this. And comment down below if you have ever encountered such a situation and how did you handle it.